Hi, I'm Greg. My wife and I built this home about 19 years ago. It's been our dream home. We have it on 10 acres. And just recently we did an addition on our back porch to have it covered. And the workers were here, they kind of noticed we had some damage on our roof. So we got the insurance agent out. They did take a look at it, and yes, indeed, we did have damage on the roof. So of course I did my due diligence, and I called several of the local and the surrounding area roofing companies around. And one of those happened to be Commonwealth Roofing Corporation. They're out of Louisville, but they were happy to come down here in Harrisburg to take a look at our roof. And I can tell you that in judging the professionalism, the promptness, and the caring, Commonwealth and Seth with Commonwealth was certainly the right choice for us, and it was an easy choice. Seth went through each option we had on the shingle, and I didn't even know that there's different classifications and what each classification meant on how well that shingle will be on your home to handle maybe larger hail damage without actually damaging it again. And of course, along the lines, there's mile per hours of the wind that will, certainly 110 mile an hour shingles versus 160. So Seth was amazing at explaining everything down to us. And it was just a pleasure overall to get this roof done. They did it in an amazing 2 days. The crew was great. They cleaned up, picked up, everything was wonderful. So I would highly recommend Commonwealth Roofing in the future, and give Seth a call. He did an amazing job for us. Thank you, Commonwealth.